what kind of tools you're gonna need. For this, you're gonna need a 10mm bolt to pull your reservoir off. You need a 18 for right here and a 19 for this board up here. And then these two bolts right here is a 13. So that's so you can get your tools together. This is a tight spot, so you do have to pull this up a little bit to get that bolt. And yeah, so let's get into the video, guys.
What's up, SY fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications so I can notify every time we post. With that being said, SY fam, as y'all can tell, y'all boy know we in Maverick right now. But today we're gonna be doing some mechanic work. We're gonna be replacing a battery in a torch strut. I think it's called a torch strut, y'all. I don't know. A torch strut in the 2016 Nissan Maxima, you guys. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for the thing. For the install and stuff like that. And we're gonna try to get this done today. It is a cool 52 degrees outside, y'all. It is cold, y'all. It's cold. So I apologize if y'all hear a lot of like wind noise in the thing, because that's the heat, bro. Because it's, like I said, you guys, it is extremely cold. And then once we get from there, y'all, we gonna jump in. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna pick up the part. I already got the battery. I like to take the other battery out, so I'm gonna get you guys that footage. And then, you know, this is gonna be like a, I don't know, I'm gonna try to do a black glove edition and put some gloves on, but we gonna see where it's going. So yeah, let's get it,
guys. So right now we fixing to snag this battery out. Ooh, excuse me, burping. Right now we fixing to snag the battery out real quick, y'all, and go ahead and take this and get this situated. But yeah, right now we about to snag the battery out of the car. The one thing I do love about Nissan products so much, all you need is a 10. So I got a 10 wrench and a 10 socket. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by my socket the other way. But start by unloosening everything. As you can see, this battery do got like a bunch of corrosion and stuff on it. So before I put the new battery back on, I'm gonna clean everything really good, and then we gonna drop the new battery on there. I don't have my little black gloves on, and I don't want to touch this stuff with my hand. So I do have like these little plastic gloves on. Y'all know I was giving y'all like a series before this one. On this very same car, I gave y'all the black glove edition, because I had the black plastic gloves on, but now I got the clear, so we're doing the clear edition. So we're gonna get this battery off so we can go ahead and exchange it back in. And like I said, it's really like nasty, I guess. But yeah, so I'm gonna clean all this before we even like do anything else. So shut that out the way like so. Then we're gonna work to taking the ground off. Like I said, what I love about Nissan products, mostly all your bolts and stuff is gonna be like a 10 and an 8. Like 10s are used commons, 8s are used commons. So most of that stuff gonna be like a 10 and an 8. Seeing them different, seeing video different day. So I didn't record it process, but we got the post clean off with all that corrosion and stuff. I got my pops, shout out to my pop set the new battery in there for me already. So now we can put the post back on. Tighten everything back up, then we can go from there. So remember, you guys, like I said, I can't really grip it like how I want it to. Alright, so now we're fixing to drip it. Alright, that one was easier.
I done did a jacket, now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers, I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at, tell me where it is. I came from rest, riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I cause a lot of bitch, cause I ain't rich. I escaped everyone in the list, cause I'm supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how they do it, kicking shit right you do. Put it in a cab, send it to a A-Rap. Hit them with the mat now, last whole body scale. Cash on delivery, hey, go pop of the century. Oh, no time for gibberish. All the criticarians, all the bitches lipstick, and the place is slippery. I can call a troop, go by the name of Duke. Can't never take a roots. I can send a moose. Niggas on the chain, but they ain't worried before. I'ma keep on spinning till they tell me who. Ooh, ooh, down the street with boo. Ooh, ooh, I done fought the crew. Ooh, ooh, I done did the robbing, I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers, I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at, tell me where it is. I came from rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause a lot of bitch, cause I ain't rich.
Alright guys, so now we got the torch. The strut, it's a motor mount, but it's the one that controls the motor from going back and forth. So obviously you gotta take the coolant tank out, but I'm trying to find a way of not doing that. Grab the part. Grab the part real quick. On this one, as y'all can see, I don't know if you can tell, but if you look like right here, the rubber is cracked. And yeah, my fingers are freezing. So, put that right here. And, so y'all can see. This is an 18 socket. Alright, gang, so, I couldn't get to the bolt, so I just took the reservoir off. And it's literally a 10mm bolt right here that you gotta pull out. That's literally it. So I took that off. And now I'm gonna see if the 18 will fit. And if it fits, I'm just gonna use a ratchet. Cause it's so much. Oh, wrong way. So the 18 actually fit, yeah. So now I'm just gonna use a ratchet to get to it. And like I said, it was only a 10mm bolt. So we're gonna use a socket, an 18mm socket, and let me turn the socket the other way around. So I can get to this bolt. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get to the top bolt. Okay, that's still tightened. Alright, that's all I found. So as y'all can see, the bolt is starting to come up, but this strut brace, I want to say it's the strut bracing, I'm not 100% sure, y'all, but this is in the way for the bolt coming completely up. So I went back to handy dandy YouTube, right? And oh, by the way, I don't know if I told y'all this was an 18, but this is a 19, and then this bolt that go down here is the 18, but this is a 19, this is an 18. But they say this is supposed to be a 17, so I got a 17 socket right here. It is not a 17 yet. So I'm gonna take these two bolts right here out and lift this up a little bit so I can get this bolt right here out, and we can get the as y'all can see, this one is completely loose right here. But I'm gonna take this out and we can pull this completely off. So we can take these two bolts out, take this off, and we can pull this completely off. Alright, y'all. So yeah. By the time I'm gonna jump back on once I get the right socket, because that is not a 17. So they didn't tell me the truth on that. All right, y'all. So we came back with the right wrench. It's actually a 13, not a 17. So I don't think he remember what he did, but we're gonna loosen these up real quick. We can loosen those up real quick. The hammer is not holding anything. It's just right there right now. But we about to loosen these up. And then go from there. Alright. Excuse me. So when I jump back on again, I'm gonna have these loosened, and I'm gonna practically kind of have that bolt out by the time I cut the camera back on. Alright, gang. So we take these 2 bolts out and I'm bending this up a little bit. I don't recommend y'all doing that. I don't know how to do it. I loosen the other side up. But we got that out. We got the bolt out. This is the new part. I'm trying to line the side bolt back up. This is the old one. As y'all can see, it's like crack. Y'all can see the crack going all the way around. So this is the old part right here. It looked like it's, I don't know if this is OEM or it's just been replaced before, but yeah, this is the old part. So right now, I'm trying to line the side bolt up. To put it back in there. Right now it's a little too high for the what I'm saying. It's a little too high right now for the hole on the side of the motor. So right now I'm waiting for my dad. He's probably gonna lift that side back up and try to get the bolt to come out, and then we'll just be bolting everything down. Once we bolt everything down, we'll be good and ready to go, and then we can close up. All right, y'all. So we got the new torque strut. Tensioner on. Everything's bolted back up. The reservoir is back in. New batteries already installed. So yeah,